The African continent is home to some of the most majestic animals on the planet. From the vast savannas to the dense forests, the diversity of habitats in Africa has created a unique ecosystem that has sustained a plethora of wildlife. In this documentary, we will take you on a journey through the African animal kingdom, exploring the lives of some of its most iconic inhabitants. The African elephant is the largest land animal on Earth. Found in various parts of Africa, these gentle giants can weigh up to 14,000 pounds and stand up to 13 feet tall. Despite their massive size, elephants are herbivores and rely on a diet of leaves, grasses, and fruits. They are social animals, living in herds of up to 100 individuals, led by a matriarch. These intelligent animals have a strong emotional bond and often display a range of complex behaviors, including mourning the loss of a member of their group. We see a herd of elephants grazing in the grasslands, with the matriarch leading the way. A baby elephant walks alongside its mother, playfully tugging at her tail. The African lion is the king of the jungle, renowned for its strength and ferocity. These big cats are apex predators, and their muscular bodies and sharp teeth and claws make them formidable hunters. Lions live in prides, with one dominant male and several females and their cubs. The females are the primary hunters, working together to take down prey, while the male protects the pride's territory from other predators. We see a pride of lions lounging in the shade of a tree, with the dominant male surveying his territory. A lioness yawns and stretches, while a group of cubs playfully pounce on each other. The African giraffe is one of the most unique and recognizable animals on the planet. These gentle giants can grow up to 18 feet tall and have long necks that allow them to reach high branches and leaves. Giraffes are social animals, living in loose groups of up to 20 individuals. They communicate with each other through a range of vocalizations, including grunts, snorts, and moans. We see a group of giraffes grazing on the leaves of tall trees, their long necks stretching upwards. A baby giraffe nuzzles up to its mother, while a male giraffe stretches his long legs. The African cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth, capable of running at speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. These sleek predators are built for speed, with long legs, a streamlined body, and sharp claws that allow them to grip the ground as they sprint after prey. Cheetahs are solitary animals, except during mating season, and they rely on their keen eyesight to spot prey from a distance. We see a cheetah sprinting across the savanna, its powerful legs propelling it forward at incredible speeds. It closes in on an impala, taking it down with a swift bite to the neck. The African buffalo, also known as the Cape buffalo, is a large and powerful animal that is known for its aggressive nature. These herbivores can weigh up to 2,000 pounds and have thick, curved horns that they use to defend themselves against predators. Buffalo live in herds of up to several hundred individuals, and they are known for their strong social bonds and protective instincts. The African animal kingdom is a diverse and vibrant ecosystem that is home to some of the most iconic and majestic animals on the planet. From the massive elephants to the speedy cheetahs, Each animal has its unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in their respective habitats. However, many of these animals face threats such as habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. It is crucial that we take steps to protect and conserve these precious species for future generations to enjoy. By understanding and appreciating the incredible wildlife that Africa has to offer, we can inspire a sense of wonder and awe for the natural world and encourage conservation efforts that will help preserve these incredible animals for years to come.